Hello everybody, my name is Walter, and today I want to show you my expandable and flat rotating billboard, or in other words, a two-dimensionally expandable gapless piston feed tape that can be observed from both sides. By the way, if you're looking for a block-by-block tutorial or Word download, you can find those linked in the description. But let me show you this contraption here. So this is, as I already said, essentially a piston feed tape that moves at the front downwards, then pushes the blocks backwards. At the back, they are then pushed up and then towards the front again. So far, so good. Now, this very feed tape here has a rather interesting effect that you might not have yet noticed. And that is, if you look at those golden arrows here, you can see they go up, down, and up. And what you would expect when you go to the opposite side is that they would obviously flip around. So down, up, and down. But what you actually can see is that they are once more up, down, and up. So something strange is going on here. And what's going on here is that those feed tapes are actually not at the same height. You can see this, looking at those pistons here at the bottom, that this feed tape here is one block higher than the one next over. And then the one next over is again one higher, and so on and so on. And that means that, let's go at the front here, that this slice here and this slice here, when it moves to the other side, as effectively is shifted 2 blocks up. Which means that essentially this gold block moves in this position, this one here up there, and you have now diamond blocks down there. And the same happens with the gold blocks further up and so on. And as you can see now, this pattern here has shifted, and now the arrow appears to be facing downwards. So we have flipped it just by shifting the blocks on the side, plus the flip that happens just through the wrapping around of the feed tape, means that you have a double flip and the arrow appears to be moving in the same direction as previously. Rather nice and unplanned feature, but you can use this to get some rather baffling effects that can get quite a few heads scratched figuring out how this works. But with that said, we have reached the end of this little showcase here. I hope you enjoyed it, and well, see ya.